So we are about to feed these poor crickets to the hens.
These aren't crickets. This is a bag of crack. They're gonna go ballistic when they see this thing.
Chicken crack.
Chicken
How
crack.
many crickets are in there?
8 dozen.
8 dozen.
8 dozen.
That's 8 times 12. That's 80 plus 16. That's 96 crickets.
I've bought a lot of crickets.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go around the corner and visit the girls. They're probably waiting by the gate. Yes, there they are. All waiting by the gate. They know it's 5 o'clock. Feeding time. It's treat time.
More crickets? Want crickets?
I think Ginger knows what the bag is. It's a bag of her favorites. Crickets. Are those chocolate covered crickets?
Oh, no chocolate for the girls.
All natural, huh?
Wow. Come on. Come on. Let's go back inside. Come on. Let's go over here. Who wants crickets?
Are you gonna scatter the crickets so that we get
Oh, hey!
to play
Did you see
Easter egg hunt?
Yeah. Ginger.
Oh, there they go. All the crickets are on the ground and the girls are going at it.
Yippee!
Oh my goodness. Yum, yum, yum. Ginger, smile for the camera. Not that side. Is that your best side? Turn around.
They're busy.
Is there going to be any scratching? Go, Pumpkin.
They will. Oh, here we go.
There we go. Oh my goodness. Go, Poppy. Go, Coco. Ginger, smile for the camera. Come on, give us your best look.
She's so focused.
Yummy.
You just snapping them off the bag. That's it. Go get them. Go get them.
Ginger, you stepped into Coco's shot. It was her moment. You big camera hog. Go, Coco. That's it. Oh, great. Coco butt.
I like chicken butt.
Hey, careful with those leaves. Hey, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, you're up. You're up. You're on. Read your lines.
She's doing a little dance. A little chick dance. Did you get them all? Oh, something on your phone there,
Huh.
sweetie.
I think I'm moving the camera around too much. It's like Blair Witch Project.
Oh my god. It's dusty out here with them kicking around. Did you get them all? I don't have any more, sweetie.
Let's take a quick tour of the house. Zooming in. Oh yeah, look, those are where the eggs get laid.
Oh, let's see if we got eggs.
Let's see if we have any eggs. Oh wow, look at that. There is an egg that somebody left for us. This box is empty. Oh wow, look. It's another egg.
This is Coco's egg.
That's Coco's egg.
nest box. She's
Coco's
got little
nest box.
speckles on her eggs.
Ah, alright.
And this is Pumpkin's egg.
Pumpkin's egg.
It's green.
Where's Ginger's egg?
Ginger didn't lay today. She laid for the first
Ginger.
time yesterday. She needs a
Where's
day to
your
recover.
egg, Ginger?
She lays in nest box 1.
Oh, okay. Now you can have a view of the rest of the inside of the house, which looks like that. Very luxurious. And then, if you guys want to notice, the house has little chili lights. Those aren't Christmas lights, those are chili lights.
More in there, gingerbread. I'm like right in the middle of everything. That's probably good. You can turn it off.